Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, the sum of three consecutive numbers is given as 231 and thus we have to find the numbers. Now, since it has been given that the numbers are consecutive in nature, so either you can take the numbers in the form of x, x plus 1 or x plus 2, or we can do some sort of trick and interestingly we can assume the numbers in such a way that our calculation will become a much simpler. So if we consider the numbers, so let the numbers be x minus 1, x and x plus 1. So when we add the three numbers, then the constant terms will cancel out each other and whatever is left is the variable portion. But if we have taken the number in the form of x, x plus 1 and x plus 2, then we will have a variable as well as a constant. So this will sort of simplify your calculation. So that's it. Now according to the question, it has been given that the sum of the numbers is 231. So x minus 1 plus x plus 1 will be equals to 31, right? Now minus 1 and plus 1 will cancel out each other and x multiplied by 3, that is 3x, will be equals to 31. See, there are 3x, that's why I have written in the form of 3 multiplied by x, right? So in order to find the value of x, divide both sides of the equality by 3. So 231 upon 3 will give us 77, right? Therefore the numbers will be, therefore required numbers will be x minus 1, that is 77 minus 1, then the next number will be x, that is 77, and the final number will be x plus 1, that is 77 plus 1. So the numbers will be 76, 77 and 78. Okay, so upon checking the options, we see that option B will be our required final answer. That's it. Thank you.